My name is Tyler Wright, and I am co-director over at Black Creek Wildlife Center, where I handle the raptor and the herpetology department. I grew up in Effingham, South Carolina. Since I was a child, just been really addicted to reptiles and amphibians, keeping every little snake and salamander that I found under logs. And as I kind of matured, I dived into the realm of falconry, where, taking birds of prey and being able to train them to work with you. And those things just became basically every fiber of my being. We started Black Creek Wildlife Center as a nonprofit, and that is where my biggest passion lies, and we're trying to build that from the ground up to be a really big thing for our local community, not only for saving the wildlife that needs our help, but also being able to educate the public about that wildlife. I started Francis Marion back in 2017, where I stayed through 2019, so I attended my last 3 years there. I majored in biology with a minor in chemistry. A lot of people impacted me while I was at Francis Marion, a lot of people in the biology department. Anywhere from Dr. Barbeau, who ended up being my advisor, kind of guiding me through the chaos that is college. Professor Knowles was a huge influence. Dr. Camper, he's the herpetologist over at Francis Marion, so me and him kind of, collided really, really well. And I still hang out with a lot of those professors today, even after graduating, just because we have so many common interests. They have a lot of programs that will light that fire in people and produce people who can go into the wildlife field and do really good things. Just like their program where you're able to go to South America, to go to Ecuador and participate in projects while living in the jungle for like 2 weeks. It feels really good to be able to get an award like that. A lot of the work that I've done and that me and Holly have done here at the Wildlife Center, a lot of it's behind the scenes, so not many people see it. They see the good parts on social media, but there's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears that happen behind the scenes to make this sort of thing happen. So being able to get even just a little bit of recognition, even when it's not asked for, it makes you feel really good.